Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about WPAN Bluetooth. Previous video we have discussed what is WPAN, the introduction and definition, as well as features, advantage and disadvantages, and where it is especially used in day-to-day life applications. Okay, and this video we are going to detailed about the technology which is used in WPAN. What is WPAN? It is wireless personal area network. So in detail we are going to see about the Bluetooth is used for short range wireless voice and data communication, because obviously we knew that the WPAN itself, it is a short range communication. The technology used in the WPAN, it's one type of technology is Bluetooth. So it is also used for short range of wireless voice and data communication. It is a wireless personal area network technology, and it is used for data communications over smaller distance. This generation changed into being invented by Ericsson in 1994. Yeah, it is invented by the company of Ericsson in the year of 1994. It operates within the unlicensed business, scientific and clinic ISM bands from 2.4 GHz to 2.485 GHz. Yes, what does here unlicensed band means? Because we have electromagnetic spectrum throughout the world, but we need to have the license to utilize the particular frequency, band of frequency. But this band of frequency, that is 2.4 gigahertz frequency, if we are we no need to pay for this access for accessing this particular band of frequency. That is why it is called as unlicensed band of frequency, and it is especially known as ISM. What is ISM? That is here our business, scientific and clinic purpose, it is mainly it is used. Okay, and Bluetooth sages, how already we mentioned the short range, how much distance it will cover. It is approximately to the 10 meters. Depending upon the version, it present information up to the at least 1 Mbps or 3 Mbps. That is Mbps, it is megabits per second. And the spreading method that it is used is FHSS, that is frequency half spread spectrum. That is here frequency hopping unfold spectrum, that is spread spectrum. It is also in detailed type is unfold spectrum. Hopping, what does mean by hopping? Here hopping means it is a shifting hop, one hop, two hop, likewise. So shifting, it is called as a hopping. A Bluetooth network is called a piconet, and a group of interconnected piconets is called scatternet. Because this Bluetooth architecture basically classified as a two type, one is piconet and scatternet. Piconet, we know the value of pico, as well as the group of interconnected piconet, it is called the scatternet. We will see in detail in the next slides. Bluetooth is a wireless technology that lets device like phones, tablets and headphone connects to each other and share information without needing cables. That is, it is a wireless medium. Okay, now we need to note it is a wireless medium, so that we don't need the cable. Bluetooth simply follows the principles of transmitting and receiving data using radio waves. That is why the frequency band allocation is needed, and we are using the unlicensed band frequency, that is 2.5 gigahertz. Okay, it can be paired with the other devices which has also Bluetooth, but it should be within the estimated communication range to connect. When two devices start to share the data, they form a network called piconet, which can further accommodate more than 5 devices. Yeah, that is why we already mentioned piconets when two devices, for example, in an office we are going to interconnect two mobile devices or share the data, and it is in the formation of network, that is called piconet. When it can be further accommodate more than 5 devices, and more piconets jointly together, that is called the scatternet. Okay, and key feature, what are the key features under the Bluetooth? That is, the transmission capacity of Bluetooth is 720 kbps, that is kilobits per second. And Bluetooth is a wireless technology, yes, already we mentioned. Bluetooth is a low cost and short distance radio communication. Yes, it is a low cost, that is we can affordable easily, as well as short distance, that is 10-meter range. Bluetooth is robust and flexible. It is easily accessible inside the office area, as well as the particular range. The basic architecture unit of Bluetooth is a piconet. Now we will see the architecture of Bluetooth. As said, it is majorly classified piconet and scatternet. We will see in detail piconet. First, piconet is a type of Bluetooth network that contains one primary node called a master node and seven active secondary nodes called slave node. So in this piconet, one node is called master node and we have seven other nodes that is called as slave nodes. Okay, we can say that there is a total of 8 active nodes which are present at a distance of 10 meters. The 8 active nodes are separated, the distance is 10-meter distance. The communication between the primary and secondary nodes can be one to one or one to many. So in our office, for example, we have a 8 node or 8 devices or 8 members want to communicate. We can use this piconet network, as well as if the size is increased, we can go for the scatter net. That is here we mention. And this is the diagram of piconet, one active node and other passive nodes. As well as the coming to the scatter net, number of piconet joined together and it will act as a scatter net, and it is formed by using various piconets. As slave that is present is one piconet can act as a master, or we can say primary in another piconet. Okay, so here also we have the master and slave procedures. This kind of node can receive a message from a master in one piconet and deliver the message to his slave in the other piconet where it is acting as a master. So this is how the transmission is happen in the scatter net of the Bluetooth network. This type of node is referred as a bridge node. A station cannot be mastered in two piconets. So this is very important, that station cannot be mastered in two piconet. We can see in this images itself, that is the piconet, two piconets are joined together and this formed as a scatter net network. And types of Bluetooth is, again it is continuous, that is we can have the in-car headset, stereo headset, webcam, some applications related we are seeing in this slide. Bluetooth equipped printer, Bluetooth global position system, that is GPS. So these are the day-to-day life that is needy applications we are using. And applications of Bluetooth, it can be used in wireless headset, wireless fan and wireless LAN also. It can connect a digital camera wireless to your mobile phones. It can transfer data in terms of videos, songs, photographs of from one cell phone to another cell phone or computer. It is used in the sectors of medical, healthcare, sports and fitness, military. So simply we can say wherever we can access within the range of 10-meter distance, in that particular application the Bluetooth is affordable and easily accessible, right? And coming to the advantage and disadvantage, if, it is having advantage as well as the disadvantages also. So it is already we mentioned, it is a low cost and easy to use device. It can also penetrate through walls. It creates an ad hoc connection immediately without any wires. Yeah, we need what is ad hoc connections. So the one-to-one communication, that is if one network is cut down and another network it will be active, as well as the it's a infrastructure based network. Okay, it is used for voice and data transfer. And the disadvantages here we have to mention about Bluetooth is it can be hacked and hence like less secure. It has a slow data transfer speed, that is 3 Mbps. Bluetooth communication does not support routing, because we know what is routing, the selection of path, if which is the shortest path. It will not support the shortest path. It generally it will spread the signal randomized through the radio waves, so that it will receive the information as well as the transmit the information. This is how the Bluetooth procedures working principle is happening, as well as here we mentioned the advantages and disadvantages. So still now we have detailed about the Bluetooth and what is meant by Bluetooth, and what are the types, classification of Bluetooth, that is architecture and key features of Bluetooth, as well as the application where it is used and advantages and disadvantages of the Bluetooth. Still now we have discussed. Thank you for your passion listening.